Let's make mayo sauce.
Mayonnaise, 1 cup. Tomato ketchup, ½ cup. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Mix it well. Mustard paste, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well.
It's ready.
Carom seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Dry coriander, 1 teaspoon. Slightly grind it. Mince, ½ kjt. Green chilies, 3 pieces. Green coriander, ½ cup. Red chili, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Ground spices, 1 teaspoon. Add 1 egg. Corn flour, 3 tablespoon. Add prepared grinded masala. Mix it well.
Let's make patty.
Preheat the griddle on medium heat. Grease it with oil. Now cook it on low flame from both sides until golden. Spread a cheese slice on it. Grease the pan with oil.
Let's make burgers.
Prepared mayo sauce. Chopped cabbage. Beef patty. Cucumber slices. Onion rings. Tomato slices. Chopped cabbage. Barbecue sauce.